Good. Lord, let me show you what PawPaw's got for you today. You talk about something tasty. We got us another little fine meal here that you can have, a little entree if you want to call it, or a side dish, it don't matter. When you're riding the fat train with PawPaw, he's always trying to find something good to eat. And what we got right here is mighty tasty. This is my first experience with eggplant, and I'm very pleased, and I want you to watch. Check this out. This is so good. Watch how I cook this. Well, folks, you saw it cooked. Let me tell you something. This is so good. And this whole plate full is only 72 calories. It was 3 ounces of onions, 3.5 ounces of eggplant, 3 grams of Parmesan, and a little black pepper. Very tasty. It gives you a break from the boiled eggs and the V8, because this is one of your hourly meals, because it is only 72 calories. Remember, a large egg is 70. And this was just 3 slices out of that big eggplant. And the whole eggplant's just 99 cents at Aldi. So, This right here, counting the onion and the cheese, probably only maybe 50 cents for this plateful. So, mighty good. I urge you to get you some. All right, well, folks, I'm going to eat this before it gets cold. Y'all have a wonderful day and a better tomorrow. Bye. Folks, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You don't want to miss none of these good cooking videos I got coming up. I got some parts in for my leaf blower, so I'm trying to get that carburetor rebuilt and do a video on that gasoline powered leaf blower. See you later.